Hi everyone, so in this video we will discover CSS variables and functions. So this is going to be a fun video, alright? This is not going to be anything complicated. So you see I have my style here because I'm going to add my CSS here. And right here I have this age1 element with the class myHeader. I named it myHeader. And with for the paragraph I named it myPara. Alright, so now before we start, applying style to it, we are going to use something called root. So you'll have to type in root and then you open two curly braces. So inside of the root you use variables, and to make a variable you can use dash dash, so dash dash, alright, and then you add the name of the variable. So in this case I'm gonna name it myColor crimson, alright, so crimson. Okay, so I have the crimson color here, and underneath it I'm gonna create another variable. I'm gonna say dash dash my font monospace. Okay, so we have two variables. Okay, how about functions? So we have created our variables and they are ready. They're ready to be used. So we're going to use them now. So I'm going to go to the next line on line 13, and on line 13 what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of these elements. So I'm going to select the header. So I'm going to type in dot myHeader. Alright, and this is not going to work because you see the name has to match. So myHeader, just like that. Okay, so the name, so we have selected this age1 element, and now to reuse this, what you do is you type in color, right, colon, but right here you're not going to add a color. We are going to reuse these colors. Alright, so let's say that we have our styles and favorite fonts, and we have prepared them and we are going to reuse them. So I'm gonna say color, and then I'm gonna use something called var. Alright, so this is the custom variable. This is going to add the custom variable. This is a function. So you type in var and then two curly braces and then two parentheses, sorry, and then two parentheses, just like I said here. So we are going to say dash dash myColor, and now I'm going to add a semicolon here. So you see we have applied our favorite color, which we have saved or stored inside of this variable name, and now we are reusing it. So let's say that we want to reuse this color. Alright, so I'm going to select the paragraph. So I'm going to say dot myPara. Alright, and right here we are going to copy this basically and paste it here. So you see now I don't have to worry about okay, what color did I save for the header, for example, or which one was my favorite color. So now I'm just reusing the variable name. And now let's say that we want to apply this font here. So I'm going to say font dash family, so font family colon, and we are going to say var, just like the other one, dash dash my font, so dash dash my font. Alright, so you see we have applied our favorite font here. So let's add another paragraph here. I'm going to add another paragraph. Alright, so another paragraph. I'm going to be another paragraph. And let's say that I want to, I'm going to give it a class name. So I'm going to say my second paragraph. Alright, so I have a selector for it, and we are going to select it now. So my second para, and I'm going to open two curly braces. And now let's say that we want to reapply our favorite font to the second paragraph, and to do that, all you gotta do is you type in font family, so font family, colon, and I don't know which one was it, alright? So let's say that, oh, I don't know which one was my favorite font. Well, now we will have to basically type in var and open two parentheses, and right here we will be able to add our variable name, so dash dash my font, and as you notice we have applied our favorite font here. So if you are building a website like the donut shop one that we did before, this trick will become handy. Alright, so I hope you liked the video everyone, and I will see you all in the next videos.